You know, you might be asking a lot of them. But look at the size of the squad. I mean, there's been times when you look at that squad, you look at the bench and you think, I don't know what's the stronger. So it's easier to do that. So it's a real first world problem if you're Chelsea and you're saying, oh, a lot of players are talented. Yeah, have a look at your bench. You're actually okay. There's a few of our clubs, maybe any club, apart from maybe Manchester City, would swap you in a minute. It's getting the best out of those players as well. So yeah, it could tire some of them, but then rest them. Simple.
Lemon alongside Ian Dennis at Stamford Bridge. Collins, Andy Reid with us, Statman Dave as well, back to Old Trafford, Juliet Berrington.
Where Manchester United are piling on the